How to fix microphone not working on Snapchat in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and find Snapchat. Now click on Snapchat. And then here you can see the option microphone. If you turn off your microphone, then turn it on. After turn on your microphone, then go back to your home screen and open your app store. Now search here Snapchat. First of all, check your Snapchat update. If you have any update of your Snapchat, then update it. After update your Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, the last solution is open your settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Snapchat. Now click on it. Now here you can offload your Snapchat app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.